All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to move through the agenda for October 29th and October 30th. So that's Thursday, October 29th, and Friday, October 30th. The main objective that we'll be working on is being able to prove that lines are parallel. So we will now start to be put together and use all these little components that we have learned about special angle pairs, all of the stuff that we've been asking you to put onto note cards and practice, we're going to start to put together. Okay, so let's look at our agenda here. We are right now on the watch this first, just going through the objective, and then you'll see that underneath there I have put all of the papers that you will need. Now most of these you already have, but I just linked them in there in case we can't find them. The 3.5 notes is part of the chapter 3 notes. Hopefully you picked that up at the beginning of the school year. The other two things you may have already printed off. This is the green foldable. We worked on that the other day, but we had two examples that were left on there that go with this section, and so we need to complete that. And then you're going to be working on the personal pop quiz. That is also part of your chapter 3 notes, but I've linked it in here just in case you need another copy of it. Okay? Now, what we need to be doing is we need to be watching and completing these notes. And so it really is what we have to do is if we were in class, we need to watch them and we need to complete these notes. Maybe you watch them first and then you go back and complete them. Maybe you watch them and you stop as you need to, but we really have these notes that need to be completed. And it looks like a lot, but what I've done is made the video shorter so that if you need to stop and go back and check something, it's more manageable. So we have, this is really just one page of notes, but I broke it down by examples. So that's our section 3.5 notes. And then we have two examples on our green foldable that we needed to finish up. Okay. After that, we need to look at our assignment section, and our assignment has our personal pop quiz. And notice that it does have October 30th and it is worth 20 points, so you do need to upload it. Please make sure that you upload it as one document using Genius Scan or some similar type scanning. Please do not just take pictures of it. Please do not put multiple files in there, okay? This is a personal pop quiz. This tells you, yes, I know it, or no, I don't. It also tells you how quickly you know it. You know, there's a difference between I can figure out the answer if I sit here and I look through all my notes and I look through all my note cards and I go back and look at practice problems. If you're doing that, that means you need more practice. You need to spend more time with it. So if you just only take your blank paper for your personal pop quiz and write down my answers on it, it's not going to do you any good in preparation for our chapter 3 assessment when we get to that point. So it's really, you have to be honest with yourself and do learning for learning's sake with this, or else, yeah, you get these easy points, but then you're not going to be able to finish the test in time, or you're not going to be able to know what's on the test because you've just gone through and used my sheet to complete your sheet. Okay? What I really want to make note of is that I've been watching and seeing how many views we have on our videos. And I noticed that eventually we'll get to the number of views of students we have in the class, but it takes several days for that to happen. And so we really need to get to the point where when this is assigned, we need to be working on it instead of working behind. And I'm not talking 1 or 2 days. I'm talking that some of us, I think, are very much working 3 or 4 or 5 days behind where we are in class. And then that's really going to catch up to us when we go to take our assessments. Okay, so please be careful of that. Notice that we do have a Zoom session on the schedule for Friday, October 30th, 2 to 2:30 or 2 to when we need it. Um, and that, like always, is optional. If you have a question, you've gone through the videos, you've watched the notes, you've done your personal pop quiz, and you've looked at your answers, and you're not really sure on how something is working out, how we're getting those answers, then make sure that you're at that Zoom session and that you get your questions answered. Okay, remember, this personal pop quiz kind of is a checkpoint for yourself. We're pretty much through most of our notes for chapter 3. We do have a lot of practicing because there's tons of different ways this material could be presented. So I don't anticipate that we will have a test until either later next week or the beginning of the week before. But we do need to make sure that we are on pace to that we're learning this material in an efficient manner. So if you have questions, make sure that you see me at that Zoom session on Friday. Have a good day. Canvas message me if you have any questions.